Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can change your Notion domain really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Now, doing this is actually no rocket science. Simply head over to your Notion account, and what you want to do next, guys, is simply click on settings in the left panel, and here inside your account settings, head over to public pages here on the left panel, and here you will see a list of all of your associated Notion domains. Now, of course, with free membership, you have access only to one customizable Notion domain. You will see it listed here. However, guys, if you'd like to add a new one, by clicking on your domain here, you will need to upgrade your plan to create more of these domains according to this information. So if you'd like to customize or change your already existing domain, simply hover your mouse over it, and here to the right you will see these three dots. So click on it and select update from that menu here. And after that, simply assign a new name to your Notion domain, just like that, and confirm your changes by clicking on save changes here. Now, I'm not going to do that because I would like to keep that name, but that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.